Hello, welcome you all in the continuation of DP-600 Fabric Examination Series. Now today we are going to discuss about question number 3. Here we have a sales table which have various attributes like order ID, customer ID, product ID, quantity, weight, list price and sales price. There is a description for each column. I request you all to understand this concept, this question clearly. Don't try to mug up because in this examination there is highest probability the question will come, but there will be some tweaks. So what question want from us? Let's understand this. Here is a SQL script. Select order ID, customer ID, product ID, and there is 3 options: choose, collies and if. And we got charge quantity. What is charge quantity? The charge quantity should return the weight value if present, otherwise it should return the quantity, otherwise it should return 1. It means that if weight is present, it should return. If weight is null, then it should return quantity. If quantity is null, then it should return 1. This functionality can be solved by Collies function. Collies function is used to return first not null values. Now coming to order price. The order price should return the lowest value from list price and sale price. This can be achieved by using list function. So here I have also given the syntax of Collies function. So the final answer will be Collies and list. Hope so you understand this question. Please try to understand this concept also. If you have some doubts, just push a comment and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.